Another day, another recording, another day, another chance, another way, another dance, another damn recording. Okay, so it's chapter 8. And in chapter 8, I'll be pretty much discussing, to you all about a topic that I've been working on for a while. Actually, it's a very great topic that I've been holding dear to my heart. Actually, I know it sounds poetical, tears, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's what I've been working on, So I just need I just need pretty much, get down to business in regards to, in regards to like chapter 8, you know what I mean? And in chapter 8, we'll be going over, dictionaries, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's get down to this action. Let's get to it. Okay? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Alright, so that's waiting. Okay, it's loading. That's loading. Let me go to like chapter 8 here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to in every time you do work without HTML, make sure that you got shift exclamation mark then enter every time. Then you got your title, and if you want to change your title, if you want to change the name of your web page like you've got here, go to title, then change it from document to anything that you want, like cars, for example. Link relationship style sheet. So that's the type of sheet relation that we've got. So this pretty much names the relationship of link document to the current document. Attribute must be a space separated list of the link types values. Then each ref styles.css. So our reference needs to be these properties here. So this is pretty much the same as what we had in our previous chapters, chapter 6 and 7. It's pretty much the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing, except in this case we're gonna add some JavaScript into this, man. And besides that, we're also gonna be working with key value pairings and dictionaries. You know what I mean? So that's why we can be working. So shift exclamation mark enter, and then div ID card, this span ID model year, just span price tag. So if our div ID is car, and for everything that we've got here, man, we need to take the div elements that we've got and include them along with like the model year. Dream car can be used for just, then this pretty much spans the ID element, which is price tag, the one that we've got here. You know what I mean? So it's price, spans that, and then prints it out, div ID body, ID front wheel, ID back wheel, just within a whole ID body. So within the body, we got like front wheel and back wheels, man. That's what we've got. So we've got a variable. This is our object, right? Our object is something that we've got. It's pretty much something that encases the key value pairings within, man. So that's what the object is. So we've got an object and the variable name stream car make Ford Escort model 1985. I'm sure you guys from Gen X know about this. color blue, your 1983 body style luxury car, price 15,000, border radius 30. So the border radius is pretty much the curvature, for the body that I'm going to show you just now. And then you need to create an alert, an alert is pretty much a prompt that it's prompted onto like the web page. It's a prompt that pops up on the web page. So the type of dream car is plus type of dream car for escorts, get element by ID, price tag in HTML, dream dot price, document get element by ID, model year in HTML, dream car dot year, document get element by ID, cell background color, dream car dot color, body, then get element by ID, body, HTML, dream car dot make, plus string, plus dream car dot module, document get element by ID, body in HTML, dream car dot make, plus string car dot model, document get element by ID, body, style, border radius, dream car, border radius. So we need to get out elements, you know what I mean? So these document that get element ID price tag in HTML refers to everything that you've got here. Those connecting the dots, and then that's what you're referring to, man. So in order for us to access everything that we have, you know what I mean, on our JS, and refer to everything that we have on our JS, so you can get prompted on our console, on the JavaScript, in our JavaScript, we need to like document everything, pretty much tag it down on our JS. In order for our card to be displayed on the web page, we need to be displayed on HTML. So on the HTML, put div elements and div IDs, div classes, div elements. And for us to actually modify our JS hashtag, because it's singular, car, body, back wheel, front wheel, body position absolute top 50px with 80% height 100px, background color black, text align center, border top 20px, black solid. Same thing here, man. Position left top, background border radius, width, height. You know what I mean? So everything, man. These are like the properties that you need, you know what I mean, to pretty much spruce up everything that we've got. Because that's what CS is for, spruce up everything that you've got in JS. And to make everything look better. So everything that we've got in our JS, everything that we've got in our JS can look better. And actually, on that note, the stuff that you're referring to on our HTML can look better too. So front wheel, back wheel, and body. So CSS pretty much correlates with JS and HTML. So you pretty much have like a full stack back end, front end relationship, full stack front end, back end relationship that we've got here, man. So this chapter pretty much goes through everything we've got. So this is actually the result that we want, but I've got a better one. So what you're gonna do is, now in your HTML, in your JS, you're gonna work with the dictionary. So you're building your dream called Operands. So you're gonna create a dictionary, within the object, it's got dictionary of key value pairings, right? In your JS, right? This is what you're gonna have in your JS. click and run that, and CSS pane. It's pretty much everything that I was describing, before. Dream car can be yours, variable dream car, same thing, and then document get element by ID. So what you describing now is everything that you've got here, man. Everything that you've got here has been described here, right? I know it seems primitive from 1996, but don't worry, just entry level stuff. Document get element by ID, model year in HTML, dream car year, color, document get element by ID, body in HTML, dream car that make, dream car module, so that's what it's pretty much going through everything I spoke about, and this is the result. The type of dream car is, this page says the type of dream car is object. So this is our start off. Then as you can see here, we've got our alert. The alert that I've just highlighted is what we've got here. So that's our alert. And the stuff that we want to like display on our JS, stuff that we want to display. The price tag, model year, price tag, and the model year, it's there. So for price tag, what we've got here, right, is dream car and the price. So dream car is it's gonna be a Ford Escort, right? So this is our dream car, right? Type of dream car. So what you've got here is what we've got here. So this is what we've got here, man. What you've got here is the year, model, 1985, color blue. So for our dream car, man, you got price, and then you got the year. Yeah, right. So here's what you've got. So dream car pretty much consists of like the year, dream car. So this all in all goes into like the JavaScript aspects of what we have here. Ford Escort. So you got our make, then you got our model. So within our body, we want the make, right? Dream car make, the string which you've got here, and then the module, which is 1985. So that's gonna go within the body. So document get element by ID in HTML. So within our HTML, we're gonna refer to like what we got. So the body get element by ID in HTML. That's what we refer to dream car make. So the string that you see here along its arguments is seen here. Then you got document price tag, dream car price, and then price, then your dream year, those refer to there. So that, I don't know what else you want from me, man. This is pretty straightforward. This is pretty much everything I described. Style.css, car.js, car.html. That's what we have.